Multiply the two fractions below and write the product in simplest form. Which of the following is the product in simplest form? So I'm going to factor everything I possibly can and then look for identical factors on the top and the bottom that can cancel. So x squared plus 18x plus 81, I'm going to factor that with a double bubble. I put an x and an x in my firsts to make the x squared. And then I need numbers that multiply to 81 and add to 18. So that's going to be 9 and 9. Okay, and then the denominator, I'm going to make a double bubble. I need an x and an x. And then I need numbers that multiply to 72 but add to 17. I'm going to go with 9 and 8. Okay, x squared plus 11x plus 24. We'll make a double bubble. I need an x and an x. And then I need numbers that multiply to 24 and add to 11. So I'm going to go with 8 and 3. And then x squared plus 27, x squared plus 12x plus 27, make the double bubble. I need an x and an x. And then I need numbers that multiply to 27 and add to 12. I'm going to go with 9 and 3. And now I find identical factors that can be canceled. So I've got an x plus 9 and x plus 9. I've got an x plus 9 and an x plus 9, x plus 8, x plus 8, x plus 3, x plus 3. Everything canceled, which means that this is equal to 1. That's just one big fancy form of 1.